Hello and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. So again, following on my previous video, this is the statement, the mainstream statement, which says let f take ab to r, that takes ab to r, be a continuous function. Well, what they mean there is that it's got to be defined on all those parts. Okay, well, naturally it's got to be defined at ab, but it's kind of silly saying it needs to be continuous on the whole interval. It's sufficient, in my opinion, to just say differentiable on AB, okay? Because if it's not defined at AB, then you can't, it follows from context that you cannot say f of B minus f of A. Do you understand that? Or not? Probably not, because a lot of you are not very smart. You're stupid, okay? So, look, let's pull up a little paintbrush page. So when you say that is differentiable, you mean it's smooth over this interval, okay? It's smooth. So it's going to be, for this to be true, it has to be smooth over this entire interval where that's B and that's A. What has to be smooth? This function here, f, okay? F has to be smooth. Now, is it remarkable that there is a C such that this is true? No, it isn't. Why isn't it? Because watch here, you morons. Look, there is a line that is parallel to this line here, okay? I shouldn't have done that. What I want to do is this. Let's just make a parallel line like that. Right. Now, there are many intervals, not just that interval, okay? Many, innumerably many intervals. You see that? Let's make this longer and not longer. Many intervals. As long as it's smooth, there are many intervals. The intervals, so this, such, that part, whatever. Okay? The important thing to remember about this mean value theorem is not this shit that you will find on Wikipedia or any other mainstream textbook. That's not important. Okay? Let me show you what is important. What is important, you absolute morons, is this. It's saying that there is a C, like that, and that this length, this blue length that you see here, this blue length that you see here, the blue length that you see happens to be the level magnitude of all, but not under f, of all the y ordinates, but not under f itself, under f prime, okay, under f prime. So under f prime, under f prime, all right? So let's call, this is not f here, this is f prime. Okay, so under f prime, the mean value theorem is saying take all those ordinates, add them all up, and divide them by the interval length, and you'll have this blue one. That's what the mean, that's the remarkable thing of the mean value theorem. I hope you understand that. If you don't, you're a moron, and there's no hope for you.